Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what might just be the best student tumbler on the market. The 1BTTL 20 ounces stainless steel tumbler, specifically the Black College Stud Edition. Whether you're a student yourself or searching for a perfect gift, this tumbler checks all the boxes for both style and practicality. Let's take a closer look at what makes it a standout choice. First up, design and gift readiness. 1BTTL didn't just slap a logo on a cup and call it a day. This tumbler comes in a sleek black finish with the bold college stud imprint. Packaged in a premium gift box, and even includes a handwritten thank you card. That alone makes it an excellent gift for birthdays, Christmas, end-of-term celebrations, or just a thoughtful surprise for the student in your life. Moving on to build quality. This tumbler is made from food-grade 18/8 stainless steel, also known as 304 stainless steel. That means it's not only safe but also incredibly durable. The exterior is coated with a long-lasting finish that resists fading, peeling, and cracking. Whether it's tossed into a backpack or used daily in the library or dorm, this cup is built to last. The insulation is where this tumbler really shines. Thanks to its double-wall vacuum design, it keeps drinks cold for up to 9 hours and hot for up to 3. That means your morning coffee stays warm through your first few lectures, and your iced drinks stay refreshingly cool well into the afternoon. Plus, it doesn't sweat. No condensation means no wet hands or rings on your desk. And let's talk about versatility. It's not just for coffee. You can use it for water, juice, tea, even beer. It's the kind of tumbler you'll want with you all day, from early classes, to gym sessions, to late-night study marathons. As far as size goes, 20 ounces is a sweet spot. It holds a generous amount of liquid but still fits comfortably in your hand and most cup holders. There's also room for ice, making it ideal for hot summer days. One of the nicest touches is how truly gift-ready it is. No need for extra wrapping or cards. Just hand it over and watch the smile. It's these small details that show thoughtfulness and quality in a product. So, what's the final verdict? The 1BTTL College Student Tumbler combines durability, smart design, and personality in one affordable package. It's practical enough for everyday use and stylish enough to make a statement. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for a unique, ready-to-go gift for someone in school, this tumbler nails it. That wraps up this review from Product Critique. If you're considering a gift that's both fun and functional, the 1BTTL College Stud Tumbler is a no-brainer. See you in the next video, where we'll break down more products that are worth your time and money.